Okay, ma'am.
Notice
मैम आ
arrangement.
रहा है।
Organize or organs of the government. You must have realized that the organization responsible for the proper functioning of the country is known as a government. Therefore, the government is an essential organ of a nation and has to perform various functions. The government frames acts and laws and ensures their proper execution. It seems to it that the law is suitably interpreted and implemented and so ensures that justice is done. The three arms of the government are to legislate, legislate what is ma'am?
Legislature.
Legislature, which comprises the Vidhan Sabha, and that which executes, ma'am, what is that?
અત્યારે
સાંભળી લ્યો આપણે તમારી મીટિંગ છે 11 વાગે. What, ma'am? અંદર શું શું બોલવાનું ને તમને ઈઝીલી ખબર પડી જશે. ma'am મૂક્યા છે પર્સન્ટેજ.
1 મિનિટ, હા બેટા, 1 મિનિટ.
Okay.
મ્યુટ કરો.
Good morning, ma'am. Hello, forum ma'am. Hello, forum ma'am.
ફોરમ માં
1 minute,
બેટા, આઈ એમ ટોકિંગ ટુ રચિતા મેમ. 1 મિનિટ બેટા.
Okay, ma'am.
ઓકે મેમ. Okay. I was just having a conversation with Rachita ma'am. That's why. Sorry, girls. Rachita ma'am, your
Problem.
diary. Yes, girls. Yes. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Yes.
Ma'am, can
Revise
I
it.
read? Ma'am,
Repeat
can
it.
Ma'am,
you
now continue.
No, repeat it. I was talking with her, no, so I
Okay.
forgot the points.
Okay. Ma'am, from the first point.
Yes.
Okay. Organs of the government. You must have realized that the organism responsible for the proper functioning of the country is known as government. Therefore, the government is an
Essential.
essential organ of a nation and has to perform various functions. The government frames acts and laws and ensure their proper execution. It seems to it that the law is suitably the government the law is
Your voice is
suitably
very not
interpreted.
clear. Hello. Is that?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Aina's mic is mute. Unmute.
Aina, can you please mute your mic, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Just one.
Okay.
Thank you, Aina.
It seems to it that the law is suitably interpreted and implemented and also ensures that justice is done. The three arms of the government are to legislate,
Legislature.
legislature. No, ma'am, I am in the upper line. The government are to legislate, to execute, and to impart justice. The arm that frames The arm that frames laws is known as the legislat- legis-
Legislature.
legislature, which comprises the Vidhan Sabha, and that which executes the law is called the executive. The arm which works towards the implementation of justice is called the judiciary, and it takes action.
Judiciary કહેવાય. Judiciary.
Judiciary. judiciary, and it takes action against offenders.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
can I read Aina?
Now let me speak. Okay, Aina, then I'll give you turn.
Okay, ma'am.
Today I want to give new admission girls turns. जैसे Afrin
Ma'am,
है.
can I read?
What is your good name?
Batul Asaria.
बतुल असरिया. अच्छा असरिया एक बार मैं एक्सप्लेन करूँ फिर रिवाइज में आप रीड करना ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so that Rabia, Aina, Zainab, they Aina अगर उन लोगों को भी टर्न मिलेगा ना then they will understand they will be more friendly to you all. Okay, so
Okay, ma'am.
today I thought such a type of a thing that I will give them the turn. Okay, so you must have realized that the organization responsible for the proper functioning of the country is known as government. What it is known as, beta? Proper
Government.
functioning के लिए जो भी organ काम करता है, हाँ, that is known as government. Okay. Now the government, what does the government do? First of all, we'll understand that government, the government is essential organ of a nation, a very essential organ of a nation, and it has to perform various functions. What has it to do?
Various
Various
functions.
functions.
Various
Yes,
functions.
yes. Now the government frames acts and laws and ensure their proper executions. What does it ensure, beta? कि properly execution हो रहा है कि नहीं,
Execution.
right? It sees
Yes.
to it that the law is suitably interpreted and implemented and also ensures that justice is done. What it is done, beta?
Justice.
हाँ, मतलब there is nowhere injustice. Like injustice कैसे होता है? Upon the color, creed, right? Sometimes religions, sometimes languages, right? So ऐसी injustice ना हो, right? इस तरह से गवर्नमेंट इंश्योर करते हैं कि everywhere there is justice done. Now there are three main arms of the government. Okay, arms bolo, organs bolo, is same. What are the three main? What are the three main organs of the government, beta?
Legislative government,
Yes, executive and
judiciary, and
judiciary.
executive.
Last class we discussed this, right? And Rabia had, I think, given the answer of this question. Okay, what
Yes.
does legislative does? Rabia?
Ma'am, legislative government frames the laws,
Yes. Whereas executive,
executes the laws,
yes, and uh, judiciary,
take actions against offenders.
offenders, those who are not following. मतलब I had given one example many days before of your school, right? Your principal, your head teachers are what? They are your legislative. Means वो लोग क्या करते हैं? Laws बनाते हैं कि 7th standard girls will wear this type of uniform, right? They will come at school on this time, right? ये सब किसने किया? लेजिस्लेटिव ने किया. अंडरस्टूड? लॉ सारे बनाए लेजिस्लेटिव ने. अब उसको एक्सिक्यूट करना है तो सबके सामने उस लॉ को लाना है. तो दिस वर्क इज डन बाय एक्सिक्यूटिव. ओके, ओके, इज इट क्लियर?
Yes.
क्लियर गर्ल्स?
Yes.
Right? And judiciary, the teachers, the monitors, they will see. Okay, ma'am?
मैम आप थोड़ा जोर से बोलो ना.
Yes. So executive will do what? They will see whether the laws are followed or not. Right? Right or wrong? Right? And it will punish the offenders. अगर कोई laws follow नहीं करता है तो उसे punish करेंगे. जैसे school में I gave you example of school. Right? Suppose you are not following the law. If you are not coming to school at time, if you are not wearing your shoes, if you are not following discipline, if you are wasting, throwing garbage here and there, राइट. तो ये सब लॉ के खिलाफ है. जो स्कूल के लॉज बने हुए हैं उसके खिलाफ है. तो क्या होगा? उसमें आपको पनिशमेंट मिलेगी, है ना? इफ यू कम लेट, इफ यू डोंट वेयर यूनिफॉर्म. हाँ,
जैसे कि
बोलो.
कोई ब्लैक मार्केटिंग करता हो
हाँ,
तो उसे जुडियाशरी पनिशमेंट देगी ना.
यस, यस, उसे हम नहीं दे सकते पनिशमेंट. We don't know also, right? Because judiciary keeps a watch every field, right? हर जगह जुडिशरी की वॉच होती है, चाहे वो बॉर्डर पे
Yes.
हो, चाहे वो किसी के किसी के घर में कोई प्रॉब्लम हुई है तो वो भी कंप्लेन करेंगे, राइट? तो दे विल आल्सो बी टेकन केयर बाय जुडिशरी.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Understood the three organs of government?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Batul Asaria.
Yes,
What are the three
ma'am.
organs of the government?
Yes, ma'am.
Asaria Batul.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the three organs of which are the three organs of the government?
Judiciary,
Very good.
what is this? Executive,
Nine.
Huh?
legislate,
Very good.
then judiciary,
Hmm.
and executive.
Okay. You said three. They are right. But अगर
Yeah.
sequence में कहने हो तो, if you want to say in sequence, first is legislative, executive, and judiciary. चलो ये copy down, girls. This you copy down first in your rough book.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you copy down this chart in your rough book. Then you will understand the above paragraph.
Ma'am, draw
Copy down.
करके
हाँ इस so the same way. Please start copy down.
lesson 3 लिख के ना मैम.
रफ बुक में बेटा. यस बेटा.
रफ बुक में. ओके मैम. Ma'am, then we have to write in square book.
No, not right now. I will instruct you.
Okay, ma'am.
Say me once when you are done.
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो.
Then can I read this?
No need of reading. You have to copy down in this rough book.
Okay, ma'am.
Sorry.
Ma'am, in rough book.
Yes, बेटा. Finish?
Ma'am, I have written.
You will be showing me after the class, huh? Presenting your screen and showing me. Finish?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Finish all of you?
No.
How much time you take, beta, for such a small start? See, now I will explain you this chart. See, half telesamkhya. Okay. See, can you see? Can you see, girls? Say yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am. We can
Yes,
see.
ma'am.
Yes. Now, see, state governor divides the
Divide
our
three parts.
organs into three parts: legislative body, executive body,
Executive
and
body
judicial
and yes.
body. Understood? Legislative assembly, legislative council, they make all the decisions. What do they do?
All the decisions.
Yes, they take all the decisions according to our constitution. Okay, according to our constitution. Now, executive body, what does it do? It executes. Now, chief ministers and council of ministers are a part of it. Okay, they will do what? They will execute the laws. Now, judiciary. What does judiciary have? The most important organ of the, all the organs are important. Okay. Now, judiciary has three parts. Okay.
High
Judiciary
court,
has three
district
parts: high
and
court, district courts, taluka courts, central courts, and all these courts come under judiciary. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, this was the chart of state government. Now understood organs of government?
Ma'am.
Yes. Mob Afrin, are you there? Mob Afrin?
Ma'am, can I read Modesa?
Modisa, see just Afrin is there or not?
Ma'am, can I read
Yes,
Ilma?
No, Ilma. Afrin, are you there?
yes, ma'am. Afrin is there.
Ma'am, can I read?
Who is it?
Ma'am, Mob Afrin is there.
Yeah, but she is not replying, so she might not be comfortable. Batul Asaria? Asaria Batul?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you would like to read?
Yes, ma'am. Sure. Can I start?
Yes, start with it.
India is a vast country made up of union of different states. The constitution has made India into a
Constitution.
union. Constitution has made India into a union state for the smooth functioning of the administration. Thus, India is a federal state. This means that the government functions at two levels, central and state level. The government at the national level is called central or union government. It looks after the administration of the whole country. The government of the state level is called state government. We will study more about the organs of the government here. The legislative body of an Indian state may have one or two houses. The lower house is known as Legislative Assembly. The upper house is known as Legislative Council. The governor is also a part of state government. The state of government has only lower house, Legislative Assembly. Most of the state do not have the Legislative Council.
Very good, Asaria. Batul.
Thank you,
Very
ma'am.
good. Very good. Very nice reading. Somewhere you made some mistake. The state of government is the state of Gujarat. Okay.
Okay.
But slowly and gradually you will improve. You are perfect, but you will a little polishing and you will do shine like all the stars of my class.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So India is a vast country made up of a union of different states. We all know that very well, right? Just say right now we are 28 states, right? And the capitals and 8 union territories, right? So different states. Now, what is union of different states? You know better? Anyone knows?
What, ma'am?
Union of different states, huh? Union means with a proper management and company, right? Union of different states, right?
Yes.
Yes, the constitution has made India into union of states for the smooth functioning of the administration. Now, previously also I said you that India is a very vast country with a lot of population. Second rank आता है population में India का. So functioning from one place is not possible. For this reason, the constitution has made India into union of states. अलग अलग states में union बनाए हुए हैं. क्यों? क्यों? For the functioning of the administration, not for you and me. આપણે ગુજરાતમાં રહીએ છીએ એટલે આપણે ગુજરાત સ્ટેટ ગુજરાત મળ્યો છે એવું નથી, પણ પ્રોપર ફંક્શનિંગ થઈ શકે એની માટે. Is it clear? Is it clear? Thus, India is a federal state. This means that the government functions at two levels, એક તો central level and a state level. એટલે federal state means what, beta? Where the government functions at two levels. Which are those two? એક તો state level અને પછી આવશે central level. Is it clear? Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, I'm clear.
Yes, very good. So, the legislative body of Indian state may have one or two houses, the lower house and the upper house. Okay? So, lower house ને શું કહેવાય? Legislative Assembly અને upper house ને શું કહેવાય? Legislative Council. Legislative Assembly is the lower house and the Legislative Council is the upper house. Okay, लोकसभा राज्यसभा नहीं डिस्कस कर रहे हैं हम. लोकसभा राज्यसभा 8th स्टैंडर्ड में आएगा आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक के सिलेबस में. Is it clear till here?
Yes.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very good. Chalo, Aina, you revise this paragraph what I explained you right now.
Ma'am, can I read?
What is your good name?
Vikram.
Yes, better read.
Ma'am, at last paragraph.
Yeah. No, this one India is a vast country. जो मैंने अभी समझा है वो रिवाइज करना है.
India is a vast country made up of union of different states. The Constitution has made India into a union of states for the smooth functioning of administration. Thus, India is a federal state. This means that the government functions at two levels, central and state level. The government at the national level is called central or union government. It looks after the administration of the whole country. The government of the whole
What happened, beta?
yes, the government at the state level is called state government. We will study more about the organs of the state government. Here, the legislative body of an Indian state. Many have one or
Many
two
nahi, may
houses.
have, may have.
May have one or two houses. The lower house is known as
Legislative.
legislative assembly, and the upper house is known as legislative council.
Very good. So, the governor is also part of the state government. Who is the part of the state government, beta? Governor. The state government of Gujarat has only the lower house, that is legislative assembly. Most of the states do not have legislative council. Upper house no હોય. Why again? Again, depending upon what it is, according to depending upon the administration, upon the population of that particular place. So, any doubt in the lesson, girls?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Any girls? Any doubt? Government lesson?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, no.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Functions of government, importance of government, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
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 What are they? What are functions of government? Chalo, quick revision. Chalo, girls. Bolo.
ma'am.
What are the functions of government?
Functions of government. Government is managing community.
Managing committee, community, committee.
Committee. Managing committee.
Very good.
And they work for the people, the wishes of the people and their welfare. Government takes various steps to solve economic and social problems.
Very
Then
good.
and they are it is concerned about the nation's economic condition and
Very
problems
good.
of poverty, unemployment, literature, health, etc.
Very good.
It also provides various facilities like making low
ચલ એક કામ કરો પેરેગ્રાફ જ રીડ કરી નાખે એટલે તને યાદ આવી જાય બધું.
yes functions of the government. The government is like a managing committee. Usually in a democracy, the government works as per the wishes of the people and for their welfare. The government also takes various steps to solve the economic and social problems of the people. It is concerned about the nation's economic condition and problems of poverty, unemployment, literature, health, etc. It also provides various facilities like making low priced food, grains available
લો
through
પ્રિસાઇઝ નહીં લો પ્રાઇસ્ડ.
low priced food grains available through ration shops, assistance during disasters and calamities establishing educational institutions and hospitals and run service
Wait. Yes,
and,
beta.
and run service like transport, judiciary, post of telegraph,
Judiciary નહીં, judiciary.
judiciary, post and telegraph, railway, etc. The government also maintains friendly relation with other countries.
Yes, understood everyone. Functions of government.
Yes,
Chalo,
ma'am.
any doubt till here? Anyone? Ask me right now. Meghani Amrin Fatima is new student.
No, ma'am. It is Amrin.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo. Anyone any doubt till here can ask me.
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
मैम आप लेसन नंबर 3 ग्रुप में भेज दोगे?
बहुत जल्दी है आपको?
नो मैम ऐसे ही पूछ रही हूँ.
हाँ बेटा, I'll surely send, but tomorrow. I have boys have asked, ma'am, don't send it today. Ma'am, send it tomorrow.
Today the social homework is there.
Ma'am, what is social homework?
What is homework?
No homework.
Homework. Read the
What
lesson.
is homework?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, bye.
Chala. If anyone has any doubt, ask me right now.
No ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Just के एग्जाम में
आगे हैं.
कितने लेसन आने वाला है?
1, 2 and 3.